Can't afford this house.
We would love to have a place like this.
Can't afford a place like this.
They needed a lawyer.
The lawyer's dead. We need a lawyer. The husband better not be a problem.
You want me to write for celebritynews.flash? I don't report gossip. I report the news.
The news in Southern California is the same every day. People are killing each other and it's hot as hell outside.
We can put a tombstone in the office that reads, "Here lies journalism. She served us well, so the public is just left with this rotting corpse."
They're coming after your retirement bonus.
I can promise you that things will get more distressing if you don't pay them what you owe them.
The Federal Communications Commission opened an investigation into Sullivan Brothers.
What's in these records?
Nothing. I took out anything incriminating a long time ago.
Are you Amanda Frey?
And you are?
Nolan Anderson, celebritynews.flash.
Nolan Anderson, the reporter that did the
Yeah,
article.
that's me.
You're working for who?
Celebritynews.flash. I've been trying to get in touch with you.
You're going to have to leave a message.
I've left several messages already.
So I'm preparing for a trial, and I don't have time to take any messages for anyone but my client.
Your client, that would be the Sullivan Brothers?
I do not work for the Sullivan Brothers. I worked, past tense, for the studio.
Well, since they used to run the studio, that means that you must have had some trouble keeping that distinction.
I am very good at my job.
Of that I have no doubt. I'm writing a story on the casting company. What's so funny?
Whatever you think that you've found, there's no proof.
Why would you say that?
Off the record?
Sure.
They don't leave any proof.
They being the Sullivan Brothers.
Do you think it's a coincidence that all of the studio records are stored in warehouses that the brothers own?
What about the court documents?
All of the actors' contracts say that if they have any dispute, it's settled in arbitration.
Well, they still would have to file an ex parte verdict with the state.
I've worked cases and filed pages and pages of discovery that simply disappeared.
You don't think they were just innocently misplaced or misfiled?
You're so cute. Do you read the real estate listings?
I don't see the relevance.
The administrator of court records for the state of California just put his house up for sale.
Still not seeing it.
How many government employees do you know that have $3 million homes in Palm Springs?
Well, he could have just inherited it.
They're all part of this club where they throw pool parties and they lounge around in floor-length robes.
You expect me to believe in nefarious pool parties?
It's not the pool parties that are nefarious. What I need you to understand is that they are as organized as any mafia and gayer than the ice sculpture at Elton John's Oscar party.
nice place, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
You thinking about putting in an offer?
Well, we don't actually have the ability to afford it right now.
Can't you just see yourself living here with your spouse, I'm guessing?
Yeah, I definitely can. Do you know the owners?
No, I'm just the realtor. It's surprisingly affordable right now. You put 100,000 down and your payment would be less than 10 grand a month.
That sounds perfectly reasonable. I should be going.
Well, let me give you my card. Make sure you call if you change your mind.
I will. Thanks very much.
Hey, soliciting is a violation of your lease.
What?
This your face on this flyer,
Yes,
right?
it's me, yes.
Okay, well, we don't allow soliciting in this building.
What? Fine.
You're gonna have to take them all down.
Fine, fuck,
It's
whatever.
against your lease.
You're Linda Applebaum, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well-
Ooh, do you want dogs? I'm looking for a dog walker.
Soliciting is a violation of your lease.
Why don't we go up to your apartment, you can introduce me to your dog, and we can go from there.
Sounds great.
Your TV show was shot on the Sullivan Brothers lot, wasn't it?
Yep, right there on the lot.
I didn't realize you're right across the hallway from us.
What do you know, neighbor?
Well, I'm surprised I haven't run into you before.
I've been at the studio a lot recently. That's why I need someone to take care of Luke.
Oh, filming something new.
Rehearsals. I got a part on Blue Bloods, The Next Generation. It's just a one-episode gig, but I'm happy to have anything these days.
Everyone just called it the casting couch. I didn't think of it as good or bad, just a means to an end.
And how old were you?
Which role?
The first time.
Oh, that was a commercial for a kid's cereal. National brand. The residuals from that commercial paid for my braces and my mom's first facelift.
And did he?
Oh boy, did he ever. All over my Hello Kitty clutch purse.
I always wanted one of those.
What?
Nothing. And did you tell your mother?
My mother told me in the car what was going to happen. And if I knew what was good for me, I'd let him do his business. She said like that.
Let him do his business. Like I was the maid responsible for cleaning up after his penis.
It's horrible.
You know, being a movie star is like owning a dog. We start relationships with these animals knowing how it will end. It will end the only way it can ever end. The intransigence of it. That's how we know it's real. I've had the same dream since I was little. To be a movie star. Then my dream came true. I had it and it was real. And the way I know it was real is because I had to give something up to get it. And then it didn't last. Nothing real ever comes without a price. And nothing real ever lasts.
Would you be willing to sit for a full interview on the record?
The settlement I signed says I'm not allowed to talk to any media.
Bye.